Sometimes you need a very easy and simple vegetable recipe that is going to take less than 20 minutes to cook and it's going to turn out awesome.
Like today, we are going to make a potato stir fry.
Yes.
Which is very flavorful, delicious, mouth-watering.
Yeah.
Yeah. Karibuni.
We're going to be using very basic ingredients like potatoes for this recipe, and this is around 5 to 6 medium potatoes that are peeled, washed, and cut into small pieces. Fried. Also, for the recipe, we need some eggplant, 1 large onion, green leaves, ketchup, green chilies, not green chilies, chili flakes, seasoning cubes, garlic powder, and salt.
Okay, now we are going to take our oil and put it on the flame.
How long are we going to be waiting for the oil?
We are going to put a skewer in our oil just to make sure it's ready. So when you put your skewer like this and you see some sizzling, then that means the oil is ready. But since now you see it's starting to bubble up, so meaning our oil, let's give it like 30 seconds, it will be ready. Yes. Then we can now start putting in our potatoes.
Because I've already prepped up everything, which I absolutely love because it saves time and messiness. We are just going to wait for the cooking oil to get ready.
We're going to put in our potatoes, which are going to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The amount of time we are going to fry the potatoes is also going to depend on the size of the potatoes, how you've chopped them.
Yeah.
Yes. The smaller, the better.
Yeah, the smaller, the better.
But then again, don't cut them too small, just enough size. I'm stirring our potatoes. I'm checking if they're ready, and also so that they don't get stuck at the bottom of our pan.
Yes.
This is most people actually experience that sticking of the potatoes at the bottom because you'll find that they put the potatoes before the oil is ready.
Yeah.
So you have to be very careful and make sure your oil is ready first, so that also you can come out with very good potatoes and crunchy.
Yeah, you need that
crispy taste.
And they're looking so awesome.
But I think our potatoes are ready, so we're going to remove them. First, we're going to put off our flame. Very crunchy. This you can also, if you have kids in the house, you can make for them as a snack.
Yeah.
Any day snack, especially now that they're going for holidays, you will need to have snacks for the kids in the house. 24/7. You'll have to have some snacks in the house for them.
Yes. Now that you're done frying up our potatoes, I'm going to prep eggplant. So I'll start off by chopping the ends.
So, do you have any other way apart from frying the eggplant? Which other way do you make your eggplant?
So I love when eggplant is chicken soup. Always delicious. So that's done. Also, you can fry them up and enjoy with some sauce.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Okay.
It's a very nice vegetable that is very versatile, but most I
think most people don't cook it because my thinking is that most people don't know how to make it.
Yes.
Or they just know maybe one way.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. But I actually enjoy eggplant. Oh, delicious. Oh. Yeah. So what I do is most of the time because I have to use it and they don't like the skin, I just.
But you can cook it.
Yeah.
But you can cook it with the skin.
With the skin.
All right.
Yeah, so you'll notice that it's turning brown. That is very fast. So you're going to place the same pot. Put on the
Well,
flame.
let me put on the flame.
Yes.
So how long are you supposed to deep fry the eggplant?
Around 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do they have to have a certain color, or how,
Yeah,
how will you tell that they're ready?
You will notice a very nice brown.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can put.
Yeah. And
Hmm?
this is going to help me drop in the eggplant cap. Safety first. And actually, just remember you can roast the eggplants when they are whole. That is, you cut them in half in the oven, and they will turn out so good.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a very nice
one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I'm going to try that one. Yeah.
The eggplants will turn out so good. Very soft on the inside, well seasoned. Mwah, so perfect.
Do you season it with anything, or you just cut and?
Yeah, you can add in some black pepper. There's very simple spices like black pepper,
Salt,
paprika, garlic powder, and that is going to add flavor to it.
Now that we are done with our fry, we're going to start frying our ingredients.
Yes.
We put on the flame. We use a nice clean pan.
Add in
some oil.
That is around a tablespoon. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get hot. Sorry.
And we can now add our onions. We are going to make our onion for around 30 seconds because we want to feel that crunchiness in once our stir fry is ready. Yeah. And we have used white onion.
Yeah.
Then we are going to add now our eggplant,
which are looking so delish.
And then we add our potatoes as well. We are going to stir just to make sure the onion is spread and everything is well mixed. Next, we're going to put our chili flakes, which is just half a spoon. Then we're going to do our cubes as well.
This looks already delicious.
And it's also even giving you that aroma.
Yeah.
Then we are going to add in a bit of garlic powder. Not too much, just a little bit. Then we're going to stir once again.
Yes. Wow. I love that the onions are not overcooked.
Yeah.
They're still very soft and crunchy.
Even the potatoes are not smashed. We're going to taste our stir fry. If you need to add more, I think that's ready.
Like a sulipei or
Okay, next, after mixing, just taste a bit to make sure the seasoning is evenly spread.
You know, the seasoning cubes that you add always contain a little bit of salt. So we're just perfecting.
I think it's ready. I think the salt is good. The seasoning is perfect.
Yes.
Oh, the chili.
It's bringing out.
For someone who loves chili, you'll really enjoy this.
Yeah.
You can put the chili up according to your taste as well. You're not limited to just half a spoon. You can put the chili sauce according to
even to
your preference. According to your preference.
A spicy. Okay, I love spicy food, but 2 teaspoons of chili flakes.
No, that one.
That is a lot. So next we're going to be adding in some ketchup. This is around that cup.
Scovia, this is going to be very tasty.
Very.
I'm already looking forward. So what this meal, at what point do you have it? Or is it just a snack?
You can enjoy for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner. It's a meal in its own.
On its own?
Yeah.
As I said earlier, you can also make it for kids.
Yeah, you can.
Especially now that kids are on holiday.
Yeah.
This is a very good idea for people who you have a long day, you have kids in the house. Very perfect for them.
And you don't know what to cook.
And you don't know what to cook. Finally, we are going to garnish with some green onions.
Toss the green onions together with the potatoes.
Our stir fry is ready, and as you can see, it looks very delicious. Now we're going to serve, and we're going to dig in.
Yeah, right away.
Very nice. The aroma.
So good.
So nice.
Looks very delicious. And I love that the green onions have added some color.
Some color and some nice aroma. Some inviting aroma. Scovia.
Yes.
This is very nice.
I'm going to also
please dig in as well.
Try.
You can feel every seasoning we've added. The chili flakes, that's just perfection.
I just need a little bit more chili, then it will be perfect.
For people who love chili, please do not add according to Scovia. Add according to your own taste.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's been around 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Very simple meal. Readily available ingredients as usual. Easy to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With no effort.
No much effort.
So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, and let's catch you next. Bye.
Ciao.